Right, let's do some lights. Whoa, sounds dramatic. Just wondering whether... Oh, mouse, I'm zooming out, not zooming in. Sorry, just thinking... Do the lights first, and then... Just thinking about handles and... Where's fuel cap? Oh, great, you got on that side to do as well. I forgot about that. Oh no. It's going to take longer than I expected. I was hoping to have it finished the next couple of days. What's the date now? The day is Tuesday. I was hoping for Friday. Right, let's get to it. For one, for rear. Right, so if we go, can I borrow these, please? Needs to be a bit of a dip there. Let's have a quick check what that is. Oh, that's the gutter, isn't it? Oh, zoom out, bloody mouse. Sorry. Alt Z, please. Right, so, oops, sorry. Borrow these. You can have them back later, honest. Mesh update. Okay. Shall rename these. Ooh, lights. Rear. All of it. Enough for now. One. Oh, that breeze is lovely. Not that you can feel it. It's not the middle button not working, it's the left button. This is a new mouse. Right, I'm gonna need these. Oh, I could just do that. Scale. Square them off. Scale X 0. Oh, great. Tickle. Gonna hide the. I'm gonna get rid of them. X. X. Alright. Because, actually, let's put one in the middle. Just moving these back so the... Yeah, possibly should have left them in. Just to keep that shape. Go on, mouse, you can do it. Ah. It's got a mind of its own. It's just trying to take over. Mouse Terminator. Oh. Need somebody else to speak to other than myself. Right, so let's have a look at the shape of this. Front of that, 2 vertical edges in, just to support them. Edges, out the corner side. Right, all. Get hold of this one first. Slide that forward so it sticks with the shape of a guide. Okay. Right, so all. I'm seeing it as well. Do a Control V. We're about halfway. Right. Here we go. All. Try again. Try not to notice why that isn't there. Notice I open the window to keep cooling it, and I'm sure people just come out in the street to make a noise. Hopefully the mic doesn't pick it up. Right, this time, can I see it from 3? See how that looks? Like it's in a totally different place altogether. As usual. Yet on that one, it's fine. Right, sure. Let's see how much space is between the light and the boot. Extrude right. Oops, wrong way. Add assign unit. There we go. Right, that looks like it's kind of staying flat. So they've brought the left hand side out. So scale it to active element. Ooh, no, that's not going to work, is it? Be a little far. So if we scale it from here, everything else is going to pull back to this one also. Tell you what, I'll do what? Let's Shift H, hit them. I could just do this manually. So it keeps the shape this way. This could be totally wrong. That's the shape, that's the... Looks it. So these could be majorly out. Tempo will smooth up for now. Yeah, they seem giant, don't they? So... Oh, I did top it off. I was supposed to inset first. You bloody fool. Alright. Ready. Right, so give that the thickness of the, yeah, that bit. Oh, mind blank again. Right, so do a median, do inset. Don't know if that affects it, but just in case. And then show us a way of doing this. Put that back on active and extrude Y. I'm going to try this, but I know it's going to fail. Scale Y. It's pulling everything. It's literally flattening everything, so just do a scale Y. That's all it's doing. And it stuffs up at the bottom there. Knackers. Oh. Ooh, could do it like that. Seriously? Seriously? Doesn't look too big. See, it is flat, so I'm guessing it's flat as in because it has to be flat against people that are behind the vehicle. I know what I mean, but the stupid word won't come out. See, that is quite proud of there, isn't it? So if we can see this bit here, and is that totally flat against there? I'm going to say yes. Right. Right, fingers crossed this will work. And it did. Right, I don't want that to. Actually, come to a scale X a little bit. And put down like that. Put one in there, so well, you get a crease, sorry, you know what I mean. Ooh, what you doing? There you go. I'll just hide all of them. Turn off mirror. Ooh, what's it doing there? Right, so do shift N first. Make sure normal's around right way. Grab these. Ooh. It's just behind the guide. Right, so I don't want that to be a sharp edge, so what I'm going to do is Control Alt. Then actually change it. Ooh, see the way that destroys is you take it behind the guide. Mouse, what you doing? Just tidying up some of these edges. Check this right there, Chrome. I don't need to do this again, but see, Chrome on. So plus. Saying like that. Right, I need the images. Oh, that's on 17 minutes nearly. Right. What's there in here? Oh. Right. Pardon me. Yeah, pretty good. Right, what do we have next? Handle for the boot. Filler cap. Wing mirror. Oh. Another pet hate is wipers. Although I might cheat because I have wipers from another mini that I've done. I may just use them. Save remodeling them. For that matter, I've got the wing mirrors also. But anyway, let's leave that one at that. For this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Sorry.